How to fix Capcut templates not showing problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will give you ideas on how you can solve Capcut templates not showing problem. So let's get right into the video. First thing you can do is long press the Capcut application and tap on App Info. Once you do that, you will be appeared on the App Info of Capcut. From here, you can see this Clear Data option at the bottom of the screen. Click on it. Again, click on Clear Cache option. Tap on OK, and this is the first solution you can use to fix the problem. Now, the other solution to solve this problem is go to the Chrome browser on your device. Now search for Capcut template, and here tap on the first link you see here. Here you will find tons of Capcut templates you can use in your video. Now the other trick to solve the problem is go to the Play Store on your device and search for Capcut application. Make sure that you have updated your Capcut application. If there is update option there, click on it. Once you update your Capcut application, the problem will be probably fixed. So in this way, you can solve the problem of Capcut template not showing. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.